Welcome guys back, and today I would like to show you an elastic bind off uh, with my elderberry romper and how you can get a fabulous stretchy edge that is perfect for example, neckline, sock tops, and sleeve cuffs. So for this, you will need to know how to make a yarn over and reverse yarn over. So we start with the reverse yarn over and knit the next stitch, slip this reverse yarn over this knit stitch. This is the first step. Then we have a purl stitch. So I make a yarn over, just a simple yarn over, purl, then slip yarn over this purl stitch, and then I have the previous stitch and I slip it as well over the last stitch, and again reverse yarn over, knit, slip, reverse yarn over the knit stitch and the last stitch over this new stitch. Now you make a yarn over, then you purl next stitch and slip over yarn over the purl stitch and the last stitch over this new stitch, like this. That's basically it. So each time when you knit, you make a reverse yarn over by bringing the yarn to the front over the top of the right needle, and when you purl, you make a yarn over by bringing the yarn to the back over the top of the right needle. One more time, reverse yarn over to the front, bring yarn to the front, slip, reverse yarn over, slip previous stitch, and now bring yarn to the back, and that's how it looks, and it looks really pretty cute. Go on till the end. So I've done binding of a romper scarf, and that's how it looks, and it's really stretchy. And now I want to show you how I'm going to join the last and the very first stitch. So I cut the yarn, leaving about 10 centimeters tail. So I'm using a tapestry needle, a yarn needle. Now I find the first stitch and go underneath both loops. So this is important to go underneath both loops, like this. And I pull. And now I go back and go only underneath the back loop, like this. That's it. And it looks invisible, absolutely invisible. And now I will show you how I'm going to weave in ends a little bit. So on the wrong side, oops, just a second. I go underneath till the end, along the cuff. Okay, the last stitch. Pull. You see? Pull in here to make edges look straight, and that's how it looks, and it's super stretchy. I like to use this method for necklines. It's perfect, especially for sweaters, when you're knitting sweaters for babies or toddlers, and it looks like a waffle. Stretchy, springy, and absolutely different compared to traditional bind off method. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was useful for you. Please subscribe and see you soon. Bye.